Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2014 BMW 5 Series 535i. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power folding, auto-dimming heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch light alloy star spoke wheels, run flat performance tires, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers with heated jets, auto-adaptive headlights, and a strong turbo 6-cylinder with only 42,172 miles. A powered trunk lid, large LED brake lights, the dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable heated back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled Dakota leather seats with driver memory, cruise dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a garage door opener, a tracker system, a power leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away and convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and real-time traffic updates, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.